Alright, so to get the play I need to remove the stock end links, and for reinstallation, got to loosen the holding brackets here, and that way it'll swing up and down, and a little bit of play up and down this way. So they went on close to vertical. Need to make sure there was clearance on the head of this one. So it's a little hairy, but this thing is so strong, it's not going to do a lot of movement. I'll just come down here and check on it after I'll give it a week of driving, check it out next weekend, and if I don't see any movement, then I'll just kind of leave it. But this is going to give me a little more strength. There's not going to be any movement here, so I'm going to get that benefit, a little more benefit out of the stabilizer, having these end links. Yeah, because the back is easy to control. Just get stronger, have a 26mm diameter stabilizer on the rear, and didn't take much adjusting to preload the rear's coilovers. I have it on kind of a medium damping setting, and it feels really good. Now the front just has so much weight, has more moving parts, has the geometry is a little more complicated. Had to replace the stabilizer, the end links, and then I have to kind of maximize my coilovers. So I got the Faction Fab F spec, and it's kind of the entry level. I just wanted to kind of get something I could afford, but get a little bit better damping and control over height. I can preload the springs. What I did today is I really liked when this thing was had a little bit lower in the front, so there's a slight rake on it. So I didn't go as much as I did last time. So I just brought it down a little bit though, and so be able to notice it should look a little sharper. And then I put about 3 millimeters of preload additionally onto the front, because I had brought it down to the stock preload, because it was just a little soft. So that, in combination with the solid end links, it's gonna be very noticeable. So the lowering, slight lower, that'll affect my steering a little bit, so that's the only thing I'm worried about. Worst case scenario, I just might have to relocate this puppy, but we'll see. So put this guy back together, and then I need to take it on a trip, see how it works.